Hi, my name is Ethan Menzel. I'm a trainer here at 760 Fitness, and today I wanted to show you guys how to use our active aging circuit. Here we have one of our cardio machines. There are a few different adjustments that can be made on it, and I want to show you guys some of those. So here we have this lever. This is going to swivel the seat. So if you're in a wheelchair or something like that, this is going to make that easier to get in and out. And right behind it, decline the seat or puts you right up. Now this one is for if you're doing a little bit longer cardio session, you might want to take a little break. Just makes it a little more comfortable for you. Now, here we have these clamps here. That's going to swivel the arm and also extend or retract, and that'll make things a little bit easier. And then, once you get seated, you might find you're a little bit too high or a little bit too low. For that, there's this yellow bar right here. So this one, you're gonna pull up. All right, now once you've found the height of the seat that you like, you can further adjust by putting your foot down here on this yellow paddle, and now you can go forward or backward on that seat. Once you find a position you're comfortable with, you're gonna lock it in, wait till you hear that click, and then you're good to go. Now, once you have all of this set up, you're gonna put your feet here on these platforms. You're gonna lean down, and you're gonna see these clasps here. You're just going to feed it through till you've got your foot nice and tight in there so it won't go anywhere. And then you're all set. And you can start walking away on this machine. All right, so once you're properly situated and you're comfortable, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna start stepping here, and that's gonna show you this screen. Once it gets past this screen, you're gonna see an option to quick start. You're going to press that quick start right here. Now, it's gonna start showing you your time right here. That's how long you're going for. It'll show up here your calories burned during this workout, and then your steps per minute. And then up here, it's gonna show you your total steps as well. All right, so our next piece of equipment is going to be similar to our last one. It's got all of the same seat adjustments, so the swivel lever here, it's gonna have that decline or incline lever here. Now when you get in, you're gonna use that same foot paddle down there, adjust the height of the seat here. Now, once you've got it at a spot you like, you've got this screen here. There's a small lever right down here. You're gonna pull that, and you want this screen to kind of be pointing at your face. That's kind of a good way to measure where you want that. Now, you've got the handles here. So this one, all you're doing is you're kind of just pedaling with your hands. Now, if you're wanting a more dynamic movement, what you can do is you can pull this yellow pin, you can move that all the way out, and that's gonna give you a little bit more movement there. Whereas if you want less, you pull that, it'll go all the way down. You've got less of movement there. You've got 3 different settings you can choose from on here. All right, so similar to the other machine, we have our quick start menu here. All right, you can see here that this is where our calorie counter is. So that's going to be the calories burned. And then we have our RPMs right here, and our resistance is up here. And then time in the center right here. So this is the SciFit hand bike. What this machine is for people who want to get that cardio workout in, but may not have the mobility in their legs, or they might have had an injury and they kind of want to just do that with their arms here, this is a great way to get your heart rate up for that. All right, so moving on to the rest of the equipment in our active aging circuit, we have our Life Fitness equipment. Now, these machines are a lot more simple than the others. They don't have many adjustments. This is the only one with an adjustment. So all of these have diagrams here of how you're gonna be seated on the machine and the muscles that are gonna be used. Now, for this one, you're gonna hop on, and this is the adjustment that we're talking about. So once you get seated, as the diagram shows, you're going to push this button in, lower this down onto your legs, and then that's gonna hold you here. Now, for the resistance, you're going to push in these pins. That's gonna add resistance to the machine. If you want less resistance, you'll start pulling them out. We're gonna be going over our timer that we have for our active aging circuit now. There are 2 cycles, a 1 minute and 30 second and a 30-second cycle. The 1 minute and 30-second cycle is gonna be for your working set, so that's when you're gonna be working out. And then our 30-second cycle is for your rest, so that's gonna be wiping down your equipment and moving on to the next one. So my name is Ethan Menzel. I'm a trainer here at 760 Fitness, and if you happen to see me walking around the gym, I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions.